Hello viewers. I know you are waiting for updates on the IBM mainframe project, and I've been busy working on that. However, I thought a cleaning video might be a bit dull, so please bear with me until I have more to share. Today it's the final episode of the Siemens PC restoration project, and it's special as well because we are going to look into an operating system from the past that shaped the internet as we know it today and which lives on in Mac OS. It started its life on Black Next hardware and eventually got ported to a number of platforms, one of which was the Intel-based PC. At Nextworld Expo 1993 and the Cebit show in the same year, several PC makers announced cooperations with Next to pre-install Nextstep on their hardware. One of them was Siemens-Nixdorf, the then largest PC manufacturer in Europe. However, aside from announcements, I couldn't find evidence of an actual Siemens-Nixdorf product that shipped with Nextstep. If there was, please let me know in the comments below. For the time being, we'll imagine how such an offering could have looked like. Likely a Pentium-class PC equipped with SCSI drives and a sufficient amount of memory to satisfy the resource appetite of Nextstep. Enter our Scenic Pro C5, and look what I found in my stash. A Nextstep 3.2 developer box for the Intel platform. Let's see if it installs. Pop in the boot disk and power on. It boots up and presents a hardware selection. Oh no, it does not support the Adaptec 2940 SCSI controller, but only an older ISA bus model, the 1542B. Nextstep 3.2 is too old for the hardware at hand, so we'll try the later 4.2 version that was named Openstep to highlight Next's shift to being a software company and their support of multiple platforms. In fact, the OS was available for the original Black hardware, Sun Sparc, Hewlett-Packard 9000, and Intel. It supported fat binaries, meaning that they contained code compiled for each platform, so you could install the same app on totally different processor architectures. This concept lives on in Mac OS X and was essential in porting that from PowerPC to Intel and later to Apple Silicon. This time the installation works. Openstep is happy with the Adaptec 2940. The installer copies the base operating system from the CD-ROM to the hard disk and makes it bootable. It also supports dual booting with DOS, which we don't do in this case. After a restart, we go through the device configuration. The onboard video adapter is compatible with Openstep. However, we don't have a driver for the network card, but there should be one somewhere out in the internet. The sound card is available as well, even as in the plug-and-play variant. I should have left the CD in the drive to select more packages to install. We'll have to do this later then. Another restart is required to finish the configuration and to boot into Openstep for the first time. I'll not speed this up this time, so you can get a sense of how long the boot process takes. The system is installed now, so let's take a tour and explore Openstep a bit. The base system is not too interesting, so I logged in as root to install some software packages from the CD-ROM, including a couple of demos. This concludes the system tour of Openstep on the Siemens-Nixdorf Scenic Pro C5 PC. I think it is a nice Unix workstation which works quite well. Maybe it was really intended to run Nextstep, but maybe no real product was ever made available. Please let me know if you've seen SNI PCs with Nextstep pre-installed out of the box. I hope you liked this video. If so, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and see you soon on this channel.